Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today I have an accessory unboxing with an eye to the warmer months, since we're finally pretty much through winter and I'm very much looking forward to warmer weather, summer. So I got a couple of things that will be great for spring, summer, potential vacations. So yeah, with that, I will get started. So I'll just do this first one on top. So I got this pair of sunnies from Farfetch. They were having a 30% off sale for a vast amount of items, I would say. So I'd been eyeing these for kind of a while. I think I'm probably like a little bit late to the bandwagon on these. I think they've definitely been around for at least a year or maybe more at this point. They did come with, I guess, some sort of authenticity card, it says on here. It says, I actually should take a look at what this is. Yeah, I guess it came with like a certificate of authenticity, which I don't feel like sunglasses, do they usually come with that? I don't really know. But yeah, so it came with that, and the sunglasses I got were these. So personally, I think tortoiseshell is pretty summery. In the winter, I like to wear more just black. So I got these in preparation for summer, and I like the cat eye effect, and I also like the detail on the edges. So yeah, I'm excited to wear these for summer. And I don't have too many tortoiseshell, so I was definitely looking for a pair. I had some that I'd been influenced to get a few years back, which were also a cat eye, but those, sometimes when you order things online, you don't know how to look on you, and those ones did not suit me, so I definitely needed a replacement for those. Okay, so second, maybe I'll do what's in this box here. So this I ordered from Matches Fashion. So it came all wrapped up, and I guess there's some papers here about returning. So you can see, came all wrapped up. I got a pair of sandals from Accessory. Okay, so it comes with dust bags. These are all wrapped up. So I got these sandals. What are actually the name of these? These are the Tequila sandal in 85mm heel height, which I think is about like 3.5 inches maybe. But I love the blush color and I love the sparkles, so I think these will really be fun to wear in the warm months. Definitely not a winter shoe, so probably very much limited to just the summer. Okay, let me set that aside. And then the final piece that I'd like to share today is purchase from Cleef. So I had been wanting this for quite a while now, but I kind of never got around to purchasing it. So finally, in preparation for the warmer months, once again, I decided to bite the bullet. I would say I've noticed that for jewelry, I like wearing Cleef pieces more in the spring, summer with warmer weather, just because they're like a little more delicate. Whereas in the winter, I feel like maybe I need something a little bit heavier or less feminine. just to go with like chunky sweaters and kind of a different style of dress. So at least that's what I prefer. So take everything out. Okay, so this is the receipt, and then this is the little authenticity booklet. Yep, it's the certificate of authenticity. You can see it says there, and I think there's some like care instructions. Yeah, there's like care advice in this middle section. So from the size of the box, you can probably guess what it is if you're familiar with the brand, but it comes wrapped beautifully. Okay. Then inside the outside carrier box, you have the inside green box, which is what the piece actually gets stored in, to reveal the vintage Alhambra white mother of pearl bracelet. It has 5 motifs. I think 3 of them are just hidden behind because it's all stored. So here, I think you can see it a little bit better. You can see the additional 2 motifs. So I did have to get this shortened, and at the time that I purchased it in the New York store, I got measured. They have like some tester bracelets with different sizes that they do. So I got measured and chose the size that I wanted. So the remaining links are here. So yes, I have the vintage Alhambra mother of pearl pendant, so I thought it would make a nice set to have the bracelet as well. And then, oh yeah, there you go. You can kind of see how beautifully the mother of pearl reflects light here. It's not always the easiest to see on camera, but you can see it's not only just white, it has like purple, pink, green, depending on, you know, the way you're looking at it, which I really love. So mother of pearl is actually pretty delicate, so I'm probably not going to be using this as an everyday piece, because for everyday, I will try this on, but because I got it shortened, it's not like the easiest to put on and off. For my necklace in mother of pearl, I actually do take it off pretty much every time before I shower or I go in the water. Like if I were to go swimming or anything like that, I would definitely take it off. And even for the shower, I do take it off. There were probably like 1 or 2 times I forgot, but otherwise I have taken like really good care of it, just because mother of pearl is delicate, and if it gets wet and you use, you know, like your shower products or even perfume, I think it can make the stone duller. So yeah, for the bracelet, I definitely will not be like keeping it on all the time, which is a little bit annoying. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know that I would like wear these all together. It's kind of a lot for my taste, at least. I have to see, but I was envisioning it as probably a standalone bracelet on my other wrist. It's just a little hard for me to do by myself with my non-dominant hand though. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I think you can see pretty well like the shine of it. So I'm super happy and super excited about this new piece. So yeah, now that I have the 2, like the set here, I don't think I would do vintage earrings. I think that would just be like a little too matchy-matchy everywhere. I do really want the two motif earrings in the white mother of pearl. That one has like the vintage on the top, and then on the bottom it has the magic size. But unfortunately right now, for anything that has magic size, you're not able to really order it at all. You have to be on like a waiting list, and it takes kind of a long time. So I don't know if I'll like when I'll be able to get that. And yeah, if I got those, I probably would not wear it with the necklace. That would just probably be too matchy-matchy for my taste, at least. But yeah, for now I have this set, and I'm very excited and happy to be able to have this for the warmer months. I feel like this looks great with like summer dresses and just the types of things I like to wear in the summer. So super excited. But yeah, that is all I had for today's video. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.